Hey ho, hey ho. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Hello, I'm Johan.
Hello, I'm Sanna.
And this is
Ozzy. And we are going on a long journey.
In this.
Bye.
Mm-hmm.
Time to make some lemonade and marmalade again. Work, work, work.
So now it's more lemonade.
A marmalade.
You think we drink a lot of lemonade, but this is orange and a couple of lemons in. So we got perhaps 4 liter. You can put in 50% water in lemonade, and rest of it we're gonna make jam. Marmalade.
More.
Uh-oh, I have to help her. And other lemonade, what was called elderflower, has been, well, it's soon to be wine. So much work we put into that.
Yeah, and it's exploding. I mean, look at the bubbles. It has been open for 5 minutes.
And still bubbling.
And still bubbling. Not so much in this one. Oh yeah, it's coming.
So, can you do anything about it? Can you boil it again? And,
they say that you can boil and add.
But does it taste yeast or?
No, I don't think so. You boil it for 5 minutes.
Ooh.
And yeah, I think 5 minutes, and you add sugar, 1 to 2 deciliter per liter, in clean bottles. So strange. I've never been. Never.
Never.
But the only thing that was different from the other times I made this lemonade is that we put the cap on.
The 2-3 first day.
When I used it, made it before, I have a big
Open.
Yeah. So I think it's because of that. So I started a very special process. Look here at the cap. It's expanding. Woo. Woo.
Here it comes.
Look, the explosion. Look at the bubbles. Ooh. I feel the cap wants to explode out. So much work for nothing. Huh?
So, what you're gonna do about this? You're gonna boil it, or gonna just?
You know.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
A lot of gas and energy.
Yeah,
And more sugar.
I have some. Maybe I boil 1 bottle and you put the cap on and wait for some weeks. Now we are going to do an experiment. We are not going to
Try to revive the lemonade.
No, we skip that. But I have the screws here. The caps are not on fully, so I'm going to test if I can make wine. So let's try. We will see. So we close that.
So there has been a bit of color on those this bluey day. I don't know where the summer is gone. Gonna blow and rain for 5-6 days more. Well, both work. We have this chair outside, but it's not an outdoor chair. It's been rusting, but it's been outside for over 6 months now, so. But now it's got to get 2 layers of paint, I think.
Yeah.
With hammer lack. And it smells, so we don't have to drink wine today. And I did make 2 plates here, because when we're lying at the dock and it's blowing the wrong way, it's blowing right inside here. But now I redid the lid with some Velcro, so I just can put that like that, so, and it doesn't blow in so hard. One for each side. And somehow it's been painting them too. Some varnish on there, perhaps later. So today another indoor days. A bit of rain and the cloud is going very fast because it's blowing a lot. So right now it's sunshine, but in 5 minutes it's cloudy again. So we have our lists. Every time we have to do something, we make a list and book it off. So here is a couple of spaces left to do. And we're checking the YouTube statistics all the time because it's Saturday, and some Yahtzee.
Yeah. Oh, it's rolling here.
Yeah, it's leaning quite a lot today.
Yeah.
All the dice is just rolling downhill. Second coat. Concentrating. And it's finished. And now it's a bit of design on this. Wind protect. You're gonna see when I'm finished with my thought. Now we're gonna see. I have my roof that's covering the gap up there, and it's working fine. And last time I did this and fastened it in the front, but in the back here I want to do a canal, so I can put a stick in the whole way and tighten the stick backwards, so I easily can loosen the stick and roll this forward if I want to go up and fix in the missile mast or the sail there. The sail bag is a bit difficult to reach otherwise. So a bit of sewing. I have my very light and quite heavy duty, not for sails, but it's blowing so much outside, so I can't be on the dock. That had been perfect for this kind of work, but I have to try to do with the floor here. This is back side. Upside down. Over on that side. So, I'll just do like that. So now I folded up this. I'm gonna sew a seam here. So now have put in the strong thread.
Yeah. Am I?
Yeah, you are sitting on that side. And I can roll it up when it's out. Solar power.
Am I sewing here or?
Yeah. Full throttle.
No.
No. So far so good. 3 meters left.
Yeah.
can take off this tape, I think, I hope. So that's finished. That should have been done for 6 months, but now it's done. Now packing everything up again and go out and see if we can get it up in the storm.
Now we are starting the motor so we can go to our new spot to anchor for a few days. This one. Now we are preparing to cast off over there. Not very nice sound, but we have to have some power, and Johan is out there trying to fish. Small tiny fishes. Drumsticks and veggies for lunch or dinner. Come on, I'm hungry.
Well eaten.
You get any fish?
No.
It's very nice.
Just a piece of sausage.
Yeah. It's a nice evening. The clock is over 9 in the evening. It's very peaceful. Look at the water. Not a moment. And over there it's a giant barge.
No, just a barge.
Just a barge. Yeah. Now it's time to go into land. Take a pee. Ozzy. Hello. Ozzy wants to go with Johan in the boat. Ozzy has been on land, but he always wants to be with Johan.
So that was a nice photo session. Still can feel the warmth in the sun. And there is fishes jumping. And I can only hear a plane to the Amsterdam airport. So, time to go in and make the bed. Instagram moment.
You can see the sunset in the mirror. And here it is.
So today, first day in a couple of weeks, there is warm-ish and sunny, and it's blow a lot, so we're gonna make a big laundry, as we don't know when we're gonna have fresh water in the lake when we are going. So first, the washing machine.
At the same time you get exercise if you run.
Well, I'm gonna get clean feet. So it's the first wash, and then we do a second wash in there. More water. Are you checking the depth meter so you don't take all the water from the sea?
Yeah, it's 1.8, says it's 2 meters.
Yeah.
But
It was 2.5 when you began. Hey ho, hey ho, no, 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 no. One good measure to make it tight. You can do like this, and you just twist and twist and twist and twist. And watch out so the floor doesn't get wet.
Yeah.
So. I think that's gonna hang drip dry. So I think that's all. Or should we do the jackets? Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Well, we can't drive anywhere today, I think. It's a lot of...
So now we have cleaning a lot.
We have cleaned all the deck in the front here.
Yeah.
But this we take another day. And down in the drain here. These are very wet, so I think I'm gonna just dip them in the water.
Scrub them with some.
All the dog hair is
Yeah.
collecting in this.
Yes. So I'm going to show the deck here. We have cleaned here, down here. So it's nice. And all laundry. There you go.
And don't forget to subscribe.
I had the most amazing